Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your phone actually allows radios after airplane mode. Some phones block cellular entirely. Once done, back up APN and carrier settings. This saves time if you must reset. Next, flip airplane mode on to silence all radios, then enable Wi-Fi so you can use internet without cellular. If your device supports re-enabling mobile data while still in airplane mode, try toggling the mobile data switch. Otherwise, Wi-Fi is the reliable path. Now you'll execute the complex middle steps. On many Android phones, after airplane mode, you can manually turn mobile data back on. Do that in network settings. This re-enables the cellular modem for data only. If that fails, enable Wi-Fi calling or pair with another phone using Bluetooth tethering to route traffic. Make sure APN entries match your carrier, because incorrect APN stops data even when radios are live. Move stepwise and test connectivity after each change. Finish by verifying connectivity. Load a web page and run a quick speed test so you know data is flowing. Make sure you understand battery trade-offs. Running radios in airplane mode can still drain the battery. If things go wrong, first toggle airplane mode off and on, then restart the phone. If that fails, reset network settings to clear APN and VPN remnants. And if mobile data still won't come back, contact your carrier to check provisioning and account restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.